And last, but certainly not the least, we have the Outstanding Public Communicator Award.
Ang bawat ahensya ay nagtatalaga ng opisyal na kumakatawan sa kanilang organisasyon upang maghatid ng impormasyon at bigyang linaw ang mga katanungan ng media at publiko.
The nominees for Outstanding Public Communicator are
The nominees for Outstanding Public Communicator are Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo, Department of Health; Undersecretary Ariel Nepomuceno, Office of Civil Defense; Undersecretary Felix William Fuentebella, Department of Energy; Undersecretary Goddess Hope Libiran, Department of Budget and Management; Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao, Department of Social Welfare and Development; Commodore J. Tariela, National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea; Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, Philippine National Police; Assistant Secretary Jose Dominique Clavano IV, Department of Justice; Ambassador Maria Teresita Daza, Department of Foreign Affairs; Assistant Secretary Renato Paraiso, Department of Information and Communication Technology.
And the Outstanding Public Communicator Award goes to, from the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao.
Si Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao ang tagapagsalita ng Department of Social and Welfare Development Disaster Response Management Group, Office of the Secretary Concerns at Data Protection Officer. Sa kabila ng anumang hamon, lalo na sa panahon ng krisis, si ASEC Dumlao ay naghahatid ng impormasyon para sa ating mga kaibigan sa media at sa publiko.
Maraming salamat sa Presidential Communication Office sa parangal po na ito. Isa lamang po ang trabaho ko bilang communicator ng gobyerno. Ito ay ilapit ang serbisyo ng ating pong pamahalaan sa mga mamamayang Pilipino. Makakaasa po kayo na ipagpapatuloy natin na sa bagong Pilipinas, magiging buo ang tiwala ng mamamayang Pilipino sa administrasyon na ito. Maraming salamat.
Thank you and congratulations to all of our winners.